TGIF, happy Friday, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have hopefully a little bit of something for everyone. We have healthcare jobs. We have some non-phone like live chat customer support jobs. And then we have two different jobs from the Hershey chocolate company. One is literally doing nothing but answering emails, as long as you don't mind a little bit of travel every now and again. We are going to dive all into it. Links to all the pages that I share if you want to get those applications in. Timestamps, all additional information that you may need is always in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you're new here, I just want to say welcome. This channel searches all of the different job boards, trying to weed out the scams and bring you the best remote work from home jobs daily, Monday through Friday. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. And if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. But first up today, we have Molina Healthcare hiring. They have 2,600 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a care review processor. Now, this is a remote work from home position. It is for the United States, but they are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to kind of convert your hours to see if that works for you. This is going to be a phone job, though. You're going to work with not only their members or patients, providers, and different team members to help coordinate delivery of care. So you're basically going to provide telephone, clerical, and data support to the whole care review team, doing any administrative work that they need, specifically working with insurance companies, providing those data entry, computer entries of insurance like authorization request, provider inquiries, eligibility for insurance, do the patients have like coverage for the services they're being seen for, those benefit verifications, provider contracting, diagnosis and treatment request, just all of the things that come along with any administrative. So you're making sure the admissions and discharge and billing codes all get entered and correctly updated into the system. And of course, you'll respond if the insurance needs authorization. You need to send information to them to those requests through phone, fax, different mediums. Now, this only requires a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has 1 to 3 years of experience in some kind of administrative support role. They do prefer that to be in the healthcare field. If you do have an associate's degree, though, that might get you to the top of the line for an interview. Now, they have a wide pay range. It starts at $12.19 an hour and goes up to $26.42 an hour. I'm assuming in today's world, they're probably not paying on that low end. They're probably paying in the mid-range there. Now, moving on along, next up we have the company AlphaSense. AlphaSense is paying a little bit higher. They have 363 reviews with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer and product support associate, again, remote for the United States. And AlphaSense as a company, they have a market intelligence and search platform that people in companies use, specifically financial companies. And so you are basically going to be that person that has the knowledge of how this platform and product works so that you can act as the first line of defense and advocate for all of the customers globally, making sure that they have a positive customer experience using the platform or the software, the product that they are subscribed to. So you're going to basically guide customers through different features and functionalities of the program, maximizing their experience to their full potential. So you are investigating, diagnosing, and troubleshooting basically tech issues with this online platform from inquiries sent through emails and live chats. And then if you need to, you're going to pick up the phone and take support calls with customers as needed. So a lot of your work is going to be non-phone, but you will be on the phone some of the time with this one, just updating, seeing things through the customer's point of view. and helping them learn how to use the product better. Now, as far as what they're looking for, somebody who is intelligent and articulate, you can kind of verbalize instructions and things well. Somebody who's 1 to 2 years experience working in some kind of support role that has that customer first mindset. Someone who's curious, wants to learn, you have great attention to detail, and they are looking for somebody who's an interest in like technology, AI, and different software applications. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It is fairly decent. It is anywhere from $65,000 a year up to $70,000 a year. Now, next up, we have the company Whop or Whoop. Not sure how you pronounce that. They only have 24 reviews on Glassdoor, so they seem to be like a smaller startup company. So please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 3.2 out of 5-star rating, though. They are looking for a customer support specialist. Now, this is going to be non-phone through website like live chat. Leave down in the comments below. I am curious about this one. I almost did not share this one because I feel like I shared it like a month or two ago. And I feel like maybe this is just the same job posting that hasn't been taken down yet. I feel like I've seen this job pop up a few times, so I don't know if they have high turnover or what the deal is. So if you've seen this in other places and you kind of know how long this has been around, please let me know down in the comments below. But regardless, it's a non-phone customer support job, so I thought I would share. Pay is $48,000 a year. They do offer the flexibility to work anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions, and they do have multiple shifts available. So whether you're looking for a morning shift, like a mid-second shift, or like a evening afternoon shift, they have you covered here. So again, I thought I would share. But they are really just looking for somebody to be that first point of contact for users and creators of their system, managing inquiries through Intercom, which is their online live chat feature. You're going to troubleshoot and resolve any tech issues or whatever the customer is having, giving them easy to follow advice and helping tackle complex problems, just being friendly and efficient. So basic customer service. They're only requiring somebody who has had experience in some kind of customer service or customer support role, great communication skills, somebody who can be a problem solver, and as somebody who's familiar with online tools. That's a plus, not required, like Whop, Intercom, Slack. You can use like different communication tools online, and they do want somebody who maybe can work some nights and weekends. And of course, next up, we have the Hershey Chocolate Company hiring. I have 2 different positions to share from them. One is answering emails, and one is doing more of category work with their Amazon sales. But the Hershey Company, they probably need no introduction. They make Hershey bars and all the other different chocolates. They have 2,100 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. The first position that they're hiring for is a consumer engagement specialist. Please note, though, it is a remote position, but it says you must be willing to go on site when needed. It doesn't say how often going on site is. Is it once a year, or is it you're needed very occasionally? The location for this, though, is marked like in the Philippines, in Manila. However, if you look down kind of in the middle of the job posting, it says country supported North America. I'm assuming they mean the countries in North America, because Hershey, what are you doing? North America is a continent, not a country. I am awake this morning. I did make a mistake in one of my videos earlier in the week, but I promise you I've drank my coffee this morning before sharing these job leads. So just know that going in, this one might require some travel. They don't specifically state if Hershey is going to pay for the travel. But, you know, jobs where you get to travel the world and it's paid for are great, as long as the company is paying for it. But this is a remote job, so I thought I would share. They are literally looking for someone to be the voice of the Hershey Company to consumers in various digital communication forms, specifically email, so non-phone. You're going to execute against the Hershey's brand tone of voice in response to consumer comments and inquiries received via emails. You're going to drive consumer loyalty through that direct engagement and your reply to their emails, signaling, trying to build up loyalty to the brand, making sure that these are future purchasers of their product, and if they have any issues with the product, we are going to support them, or you as the Hershey voice is going to support them. So you're basically responsible for writing and responding to consumers via email. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they want somebody who has a bachelor degree, specifically in like English marketing or some kind of related field, and somebody who has 2 to 4 years of professional experience in a customer service role, dealing with like feedback, complaints, issues through various online platforms. Somebody who is detail oriented, who can prioritize work, and who can work in a fast-paced environment. Sadly, Hershey did not list pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you don't want to travel outside of the country, though, Hershey is also hiring a category strategist for Amazon. This is a remote position, but it says there may be occasional travel to Seattle, Washington. At least that's within the United States. Again, it doesn't say how often you would have to travel. But they are looking for someone specifically to be responsible for delivering the Hershey company and their protein business on Amazon. So you're managing the customer relationships with Amazon by delivering action-oriented recommendations through data sources that you gather from different data software collection tools like Circana. You might even use like Amazon Vendor Central. So you're basically monitoring all of the purchase data and trying to build relationships, know what products work, what products don't in relation to their protein line and protein business. You're really supporting the Amazon team lead in managing the P&L by providing analysis, insights, and supports. That's profit and loss statements. So what products you're listing on Amazon and stocking on Amazon, are they selling? Is one selling more than the other? Is one losing money? Should you even be selling it? You're basically going to help with all the data and reporting and analysis that's going to basically help answer these questions for Hershey. So you're more of helping like the sales teams and different things like that. Because of that, they do want somebody who has a bachelor degree, again for this one, and 5 years experience in either digital consumer experience or some kind of marketing. You know data analytic tools, and you have an understanding of like managing profits, losses for companies, and you earn expertise basically in customer relationship and management. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope all of you have a fabulous weekend ahead. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.